Hello everyone, it's Lacey from Graham Auto Repair. Once again, it's time for Brakes for Breasts. During the month of October, we are offering free brake pads to our customers with cars and light trucks who complete a brake service at Graham Auto Repair. As our customer, you will only pay for the labor and any other parts necessary to complete the brake service. At the end of the fundraising season, we will take 10% of all brake services completed during the fundraising campaign. We will donate that amount directly to Dr. Vincent Tuohy and the Cleveland Clinic Breast Cancer Vaccine Research Fund. Since its formation, independent automotive repair shops have been raising funds for breast cancer vaccine research. To this date, these shops have helped to raise over $1 million. If you are interested in participating in the fundraiser this year, you can call our service advisors to schedule an appointment at 253-847-2221. You can also find more information in the blog posted on our website, www.grahamautorepair.com/blog. With your help, we hope to put the brakes on breast cancer.